Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Basix series by Glas Vapor. Founded by Sean Glas in Los Angeles, California, Glas Vapor is one of the premier hardware and e-liquid companies in the world. Their new line, the Basix series, is manufactured in an ISO and GMP certified facility. The line is available in 60 milliliter unicorn bottles in 3 nicotine levels. Butterscotch Reserve has extraordinary components of butterscotch and caramel, blended with a creamy RY4 tobacco. The smell has top notes of butterscotch. For the inhale, I get light caramel switching to sweet butterscotch, with creamy tobacco lingering on the exhale. Sugar cookie is warm, buttery cookie dough, glazed with golden brown sugar caramel and finished with a cinnamon and nutmeg twist. This is my favorite flavor of the review. For the smell, I get mainly brown sugar and cinnamon. The inhale is sweet caramel, with brown sugar and cinnamon on the finish. Blueberry cake is velvety layers of rich vanilla cake, sweet buttercream, and fresh blueberries, drizzled in a sweet, sugary glaze. Fresh blueberries dominate the smell, with light hints of cake. The inhale is sweet buttercream, blending into sweet, sugary blueberries with hints of vanilla cake lingering on the exhale. Fizzy lemonade is sweet and refreshing sparkling lemonade poured over lemon-lime shaved ice with a cool carbonated twist. The smell has sparkling lemon-lime type notes. The inhale is strong menthol with sweet lemon-lime on the exhale. Strawberry Gummy is a classic take on strawberry sour belts with a gummy bear twist. For the smell, I get mostly candy strawberry with subtle hints of orange. The inhale is sweet strawberry with tart citrus notes for the exhale. Caribbean Punch is the perfect blend of succulent peach, mouth-watering pineapple, sweet strawberry, refreshing apples, and a hint of apricot. For the smell, I get top notes of peach blended with sweet fruits. The inhale starts with peach and sweet strawberry, switching to apple, pineapple with hints of apricot on the finish. The Basix series was a well-crafted line. Butterscotch Reserve would have been my favorite, but I'm not a fan of tobacco, although it was smooth. Sugar cookie was excellent. Blueberry cake is a best in show winner, and I see why. It's a must try. Fizzy lemonade is a great Sprite type flavor, but it was a little too strong on the menthol for me. Strawberry Gummy is also excellent with its distinct sweet and tart notes. And Caribbean Punch is a great sweet fruit blend. Because of my flavor preferences, I wasn't a fan of all these flavors, but I was impressed with the mix and how each flavor takes its own turn. The Basix series currently runs $16.95 per 60 milliliter bottle, or you can get the whole line at a discounted price for $79.95. If you'd like to pick up the Glas Vapor Basix series for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.